ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟೆಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್.
ಇಂದಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ಡಿಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, that is a permutation of n distinct objects in which none of the object is in its natural place is called derangement. Basically it is the opposite of arrangement. In arrangement you have to align it in the order, but here it shouldn't be in at any cost in order. So for this the formula is dn is equals to n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial and so on. It goes till minus 1 power n by n factorial for every n greater than or equals to 1. It can also be written as dn equals to n factorial summation k from 0 to n minus 1 power k by k factorial. For example, we'll consider for d2. d2 is equals to 2 factorial summation k 0 to 2 minus 1 power k by k factorial. That gives you 2 factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. That is equals to 1 only. Then evaluate d5, d6, d7, d8. For this also same thing, we have to take the formula till 1 by 5 factorial. That gives 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial. It goes till 5, and for 6 factorial it goes till 6, 7 for 7, and then for 8 it goes till 8. Then in a word problems, what they do is, in how many ways you can each of the 10 people select a left glove and right glove out of a total of 10 pairs of gloves, so that no person selects a matching pair. No person selects the matching pair. This is a kind of derangement, so that you should understand by that. No matching pairs, or nothing happens correctly, or they get their own umbrella, they will get some different umbrellas like this. And the solution goes like, total gloves will be of 10 pairs and total people also 10 pairs is there. You have to remember that. The number of ways to assign left glove is 10 factorial, and then number of ways to assign right glove, which shouldn't be of the same match. Left glove will be same but right glove will be different in that way, or else right glove is same, left glove is different in that way. So one will be same, so that's why we took it as 10 factorial. The other one is different, so we'll do the derangement of d10. d10 we will get it as 10 factorial by e. It will be of some larger value, so you have to add both of them. And for next third question, a restaurant 10 men handed over the umbrellas to the receptionist. In how many ways you can arrange their umbrellas to be returned so that no man receives his own umbrella, at least one gets his own umbrella. Like no man receives means d10, at least one man gets means for total number of arrangements is 10 factorial. At least one man gets means you will be having 10 factorial minus d10. Out of total arrangement we deduct cases where no one or exactly one gets their umbrella. We are deducting a case no one gets their umbrella, means they will be having some issues with their umbrella. So, or else another case is one or exactly one, no one or exactly one gets their umbrella. They are deducting these cases. Exactly one gets their umbrella, so that is 10c1 d9. Why? Because exactly one gets umbrella means they are already deducted that case, so that is 10c1 case. One getting from 10 umbrellas means one opportunity is there, so that's why 10C1 into D9. The deducting our cases means the overall total arrangements is 10 factorial. Overall, then the deduct cases, no one gets umbrella, that is the case of this, the first case. And then again deducting it by the second case, that is exactly one gets his own umbrella. They are deducting that case. Then we will get the answer as 958879. For the integer 1, 2 till n, there are 11660 derangements. So where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 appear in the first 5 positions. Then find the value of n. Derangements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the first 5 positions, d5, so that they won't be placed in the same position. So 44. Remaining n minus 5 elements. So that will be in the deranged in dn minus 5 ways. So they have already given the answer, that as 11,660 is the answer. Then for this we have to multiply it by d5 into dn minus 5. d5 is 44 into dn minus 5 is 11,660. dn minus 5 is equals to 11,660 by 44. We will get 265. Where this 265 comes in, we know that d6 is 265. How we calculated at the beginning here. d6 is 256. That is mistaken here. 265. Then that is 256 actually. Then what we get is n minus 5 equals to 6. So that they have given dn minus 5 equals to 256. Then d6 equals to 256. So n minus 5 equals to 6. So that 6 plus 5 is 11. So n equals to 11. Then there are 8 letters of 8 different people to be placed in 8 different addressed envelopes. So find the number of ways of this is 8 factorial. Total number of ways to place the envelope with no restrictions. Number of ways that no letter goes to the corrected envelope, that is D8. Number of ways that at least one letter is in the correct envelope, at least one. So 8 factorial minus D8. At least 2 means we'll be doing minus for some more. So here is the summary where all of them receives their own umbrella is 10 factorial. Then no one receives their umbrella is D10. So one man gets his own umbrella is 10 factorial minus D10. Out of total arrangement, deducting cases. Just leave that matter. Now exactly one gets umbrella means 1 is correct. So 10C 1 ways you can give him the umbrella. Then other left, how many left? 10 minus 1, that is 9. So D10, D9. So 10C 1 into D9. What if it is of exactly 2 gets their own umbrella means? That is 10C2 D8. That like that it happens. Then exactly 1 gets his own umbrella. That is 1334960 ways. So here what we have done is, for at least 2 gets their own umbrella means 10 factorial minus this where no one gets umbrellas. We are deducting 2 cases here. No one gets umbrellas and exactly 1 gets umbrellas. If we delete these 2 cases, then we will get 958879 ways.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.